Well, here's a beautiful Corvette 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT Convertible. What a beautiful car this is. It really, really is. Red is always a great color on a Corvette, and this one is beautiful torch red on the exterior, jet black on the interior, and has a beautiful jet black convertible top. Under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $4,455 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We'll always remind you this has heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls and MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, it has a memory package, and it also has a front view camera. Now, it also includes the Grand Sport package. This includes those beautiful black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, dry sump oil system. It has those Z06 sized wheels, tires, and brakes, and the Z06 style rocker panels, wider quarter panels and fenders, specific gear ratios, wicker bill rear spoiler, specific front splitter, and it has those side skirts as well. Of course, this car comes with power top, remote start, has that black hood stinger, red brake caliper override, carbon flash badge package, carbon flash painted side mirrors and rear spoiler, has the black wheels, which are beautiful. It also includes the performance data recorder with navigation and Bluetooth package as well, keyless entry and start. Everything on this car is powerful. Anyway, it shows just 9,963 miles. This is a beautiful car. It comes with a clean Carfax. It's nicely optioned. Find out the pricing on this car and look at more beautiful photos of the car. Be sure to click the link right below this video and it'll take you to all that information. Remember, our Corvettes here at Buyavette.net are hand-picked Corvettes, and they're always loaded with expensive factory options. So give one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button when you do, and you'll be the first to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we hope to hear from you really soon. Come in and give us a visit or give us a call. We make shipping nationwide or worldwide less expensive than you could ever imagine, and we make buying online something you can do with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. Again, Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.